This audio press release is brought to you via Stockwave. For more, visit www.stockwave.market.
The sunny side of cannabis. Cannabis growth boosts solar market. InvestorIdeas.com, a leading investor news resource covering hemp and cannabis stocks, releases the first article in a two-part series on how the growing global cannabis market is boosting ancillary markets, including the solar clean tech industry. Recently, Markets Insider noted, quote, marijuana appears to be the fastest-growing job sector in the U.S., adding 64,389 full-time legal cannabis jobs in 2018, according to a new report from the cannabis website Leafly and the consultancy Whitney Economics, representing a 44% increase in total positions, which rose to 211,000. And that's not counting jobs indirectly related to the marijuana industry, like lawyers, accountants, security consultants, media companies, and marketing firms. With those included, the report said there were 296,000 payrolls in the sector last year. End quote. One sector getting a major boost from cannabis is solar, due in part to the high energy requirements of indoor grow facilities and the cannabis industry as a whole. Village Farms International Incorporated, OTCQX, ticker symbol VFFIF, first realized the advantages of solar in 2016 when they, Solar City, and MP2 Energy agreed to build a 2-megawatt solar array adjacent to Village Farms' 30-acre Permian Basin Division greenhouse in Monahans, Texas. The solar system provides the facility with nearly all of its daytime electricity needs and will generate more than 82 million kilowatt hours of power over the life of the system. Single Point, OTCQB, ticker symbol SING, a technology and investment company with a focus on acquiring companies that will benefit from the injection of growth capital and technology integration in the mobile payments, ancillary cannabis services, and blockchain solutions, recently announced signing an asset purchase agreement to acquire Direct Solar and AI Live transfers. The two companies are providing what has been described as the lending tree model for solar business. With the proposal of the Green New Deal, solar is at the forefront of every conversation and will continue to be top of mind as the nation grows through an energy shift to renewable resources such as solar. According to Zion Market Research, the global solar panel market accounted for $30.8 billion in 2016 and is expected to reach $57.3 billion by 2022, growing at a CAGR of 10.9% between 2017 and 2022. Cannabis producer FSD Pharma Incorporated, ticker symbol FSDDF, and SolarVest Bioenergy Incorporated, a technology company which has developed an algal-based flexible production platform capable of producing health products, recently announced that they have signed a non-binding letter of intent to enter into a definitive agreement in which SolarVest would conduct research using its algal expression technology to develop pharma-grade cannabinoids. The parties would make mutual investments into one another, and SolarVest would grant FSD Pharma an exclusive license over a subset of the project cannabinoids and certain royalty rights over all of the other project cannabinoids. Quote, if successful, this could dramatically disrupt current cannabis cultivation methods for medical purposes. It could reduce the majority of time, space, and costs associated with cannabis cultivation for medical purposes, specifically cannabis with GMP certification. We are very pleased to collaborate with SolarVest on the development of promising alternative methods of cannabinoid production using algal technology, said Zishan Saeed, president and founder of FSD Pharma. We have been impressed by SolarVest's management knowledge and operations and believe that future commercial productions of cannabinoids using their algal-based production platform, combined with our proposed investment in SolarVest, have the potential to create significant value for our shareholders. End quote. BrainGrid Limited, ticker symbol BGRDF, a global provider of affordable, scalable, and easy-to-deploy sensor platforms for precision agriculture, is adopting solar in a different way, having announced the first commercial deployment of its innovative, self-powered Scent Roller S precision agriculture technology at Canadian licensed producer WeedMD Incorporated's modern greenhouse facility located in Strathroy, Ontario. ScentRoller S brings all the great features of BrainGrid's original ScentRoller platform to cultivators, including quick installation, online dashboards, and reports, as well as email alarm notifications. This allows growers the peace of mind that their cannabis crops are safe and thriving. The self-powered ScentRoller S uses a solar panel that enables an even quicker install and limitless possibilities for sensor placement. This true wireless freedom helps cultivators monitor growing conditions where it matters, in and around the plant canopy where power connections are not often available. With more cultivation and processing facilities going into construction every week, the high-energy demands placed on energy grids or the need for microgrid solutions are expected to have a huge influence on the solar energy sector. Continued in part 2 of this series, we look at how not only solar, but many other ancillary sectors are being boosted by rapid growth in the cannabis sector.
This audio press release is brought to you via Stockwave, production company that provides audio services to a variety of clients. Stockwave may have been compensated for the production of this audio service. In trading, there can be no assurance that any prior successes or past results as to income earnings can be used as an indication of future success or results. Audio services by Stockwave are for informational purposes only and do not purport to be a complete study of the featured company or other companies mentioned. Information used and statements of fact have been obtained from the featured company and other sources, but not verified nor guaranteed by Stockwave as to completeness or accuracy. Listeners are advised to use caution and seek the advice of qualified professionals before acting on any information provided by Stockwave's audio services. Listeners are also advised to perform their own due diligence when it comes to making investment decisions. For more, visit www.stockwave.market.